Hello, very good day. Welcome once again to Clim Film. Today we're going to show you how to create the handheld camera effect using the wiggle code. The wiggle code has many uses, but to achieve the handheld camera effect, we need to open the transform tab of our video. Hold Alt and click on the position stopwatch and this will appear. Now what we have to do is delete what's there and type wiggle open parentheses 3,15 close parentheses. Close the parentheses. The first number is the number of times the image will move per second. The second is the range in pixels in which the image will move. What the wiggle effect basically does is take that code you've entered and create a random movement with it. The higher the first number, the more times per second it will move, which means it will move faster. The higher the second number, the farther that movement will go. In this case, 315 is a movement, don't laugh.
No, I wasn't laughing at that.
In this case, 315 is a pretty smooth movement, but we can see that the image goes a bit outside the composition. To fix this, we increase the scale a bit so that the image stays within the edge of the composition. Wiggle has many uses. We've only seen one of the many that exist. Don't forget the comments, you have to subscribe. Over here, a new video here, and any questions, as I said in the comments. Come on, the ending is the best part, right?
But it's the simplest.
I know, absolutely.